Hello, this is powerful, and it's for you. Before you scroll away, please listen to these hidden secrets about your health nobody is telling you.
Okay, today I'm going to show us how to make yams porridge. We have different kinds of yam. Yeah, in East Africa, I've ever had them talk about balugu. Balugu is the big one. Yeah, then this one is called, is it muluni or something like that? For us, we call it water yam.
Juni.
Yes, Juni. We call it water yam. This yam, you can prepare it in kind of different methods. You get it? So we have our saucepan here. This is the way we have cut the yam. We have sliced our onions. Already we have made the yam. We've sliced the onions. We've sliced the tomatoes. You put your garlic and ginger if you want. I always use moringa leaves in anything I'm cooking. This is it. So here we come. This is the yam already prepared. I love local oil. We call it red oil. Yeah, so when you put the oil, you don't allow it to get overcooked. Immediately you put the oil, you slice your onions, slice tomatoes, garlic, and you pour in the saucepan. When you pour in the saucepan, immediately you see it getting a little bit done, then you carry your yam and pour in with water. You cook your meat, you pour in. You make your fish, you pour in, or you make them in separate the way I have made them. This yam children loves it a lot. They can eat it and get well food, and it's rich in antioxidant and fiber. So this is very good. But the other, I forgot to bring it along this practice. The big one they call balugu in East Africa. If you are diabetic, that one is better because it has something that controls the sugar spikes, let me put it that way. Then this is also rich. This one is lighter in consumption. It's lighter in stomach after eating because it has water, a lot of water in it. Yeah, so please, I want you to try this. So what is remaining here now is, for me, you have seen the yam, we have cut it, we have fried, we put like this. I don't fry with cooking oil. I do with natural red oil, the African red oil. Then now, the stage where we are now is to wash my moringa. Moringa is very healthy. I've told us that time without number. Yeah. You miss the quantity you want. For me, I can put all, but I don't want to put all because I know the people eat this. If you like, you leave this. Have you seen this tiny leaves? Okay, the people that will eat this, yeah, might not like if I put a lot of it because they are trying it for the first time, eating with moringa oil. Okay, so that is it. That's the moringa. Moringa is very medicinal. I've talked about moringa. Go back and visit the channel where I talked about moringa, okay? You will see the health benefits of moringa. So that is it for yam porridge. And the yam we have used is called water yam, like I said earlier on. That is it. Have you seen it? Some are bigger. This is a small part of it, and these are the ones we have cut in small parts. You don't fry. When you fry, oil becomes too much to what you do. Have you seen? Oh my God, Ash. Have you seen? When you taste it, you will wonder. Yes, you will wonder. Yeah, so now, when they are eating it, have you seen the fish? Have you seen the meat? Yeah, so you eat it with it. If you don't have fish and you don't have meat, this thing you have seen here, moringa, can give you the nutrients, the vitamins you need for this food. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please keep connecting. People, lift thumb if you have appreciated what I am doing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. This was just a sample. We have much more to share with you. Please check out our channel, subscribe, and enjoy our weekly uploads featuring different natural health tips, home remedies, and healthy living advice for you and your family. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.